Hello everyone. In a previous video I used chemicals and materials I bought at the garden centre to build a battery to charge my phone. Afterwards I read about a beer battery that some people have used to power low-powered items such as small crystal and transistor radio sets. I wanted to see if I could use beer to charge my phone. Okay, so the beer isn't the critical component here. The copper and zinc electrodes are actually doing the work and the beer's just the electrolyte. But, oh well. I grabbed the nearest beer to hand and some small pieces of copper and zinc to see what sort of voltage this cell would give me. Okay, 0.9 volts, that's pretty good. I need 5 volts to charge a phone. I know from experience that the voltage of the battery will drop once the phone starts trying to draw a current, so hopefully about 10 cells will give me enough voltage. To make the setup and my life easier, I 3D printed a small cell trough to make the battery. Each cell in the trough has a piece of copper and zinc and a small amount of beer. Okay, the battery gives me more than 8 volts. I was hoping it would give me more than 9, but this should be enough. I connected the battery to a spliced USB charging cable and plugged it into my phone. Success! So there you go. You can charge your phone using beer and some small pieces of metal. While I was buying more beer, I came across one of these saltwater powered toy cars. You can get these from lots of different toy shops and for as little as $5. I wonder if this thing will run on beer. First I had to build the car. Wow, so much packaging for so little toy. Okay, time to put the beer in. Well, the motor runs, that bodes well. But there's not enough power to drag the car along the table. Oh well. So there you go. Beer can be an effective solution to some of life's problems.